Now this is a spark plug for a 2006 F-150. This Ford's with a 5.4 Triton engine had many defects, and this one was one of the major ones that was very expensive repair. You see, these spark plugs were designed in 3 stages, like you can see here. Now the new one actually is better, more efficient, and some models came, like this one is actually a tip that's actually welded and more sturdy than this. Now this spark plugs are still in many engines, and they need to be replaced before this happens to it, and it's gonna cause you major damage. You can actually damage so much the engine where if this thing gets stuck, you will have to rebuild or replace the head. If you have F-150 that you have not serviced the spark plugs, please give us a call immediately so we can service this and save you money in the long term. Thank you guys. Take care.